Imagine your AI assistant has known you for 2 years. It remembers you are allergic to peanuts. The fact could save your life. Then, one day, from a random conversation about a salad, it decides you love peanuts. It overwrites the truth. Next time you ask it to order lunch, it puts you in danger. That's not science fiction. That's how AI memory works today. It trusts the newest thing it heard, even when the newest thing is a hallucination. Supermemory gives your AI a second brain. It remembers everything. But here is the question nobody is asking: who checks if those memories are true? Because a second brain that remembers lies is worse than no memory at all. So, I built MiniEval Memory Gate. It makes sure your AI remembers only what's true. It's a three layers, all built on super memory. Super memory does the memory, that is the extracting and storing facts. Minival does the trust. Layer 1 gets every fact for faithfulness. Layer 2 logs every decision to a dashboard. And layer 3 guards against a hallucination, overwriting a true memory. Here is Supermemory running live on localhost 6767. I send a real conversation Supermemory, extract the facts, and Minival scores each one against what the users actually said. Here, the faithfulness facts get stored, and here, a hallucination that contradicts the source gets blocked before it can even enter a memory. Now, the dangerous case: memory changes over time, and supermemory resolves conflict by recency, that is, newest wins. But watch what Minival does. The user genuinely moved to the city, but here is a hallucination tries to override allergic to peanuts. Minival catches it and blocks it. Supermemory alone would have overwritten a life critical truth with a lie. Minival protects it. Every decision is logged to a live dashboard, a 97.5% hallucination catch rate, which fact types hallucinate most, and the adjudication panel showing everything that overrides the existing memory, the income one, the verdict, and the why. Full audit trail exportable memory you can trust in production. So, MiniEval Memory Gate built entirely on super memory because your AI's memory should only remember what's true. Thank you.